Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Today we are playing Roblox Rivals. You'll be thinking, oh bro, this is the most outdated video ever. Because today we are gonna test out the burst rifle. Yeah. In fact, I never used it. Yeah, today only got it. So most of you guys know what the burst rifle do. So I don't think I have to show anything. Let's get into the game. Okay, so we are going against a 112 mobile player. Yeah, got to take that sniper out, you know. Okay. Yep, I know he's using the sniper too. Why didn't the Molotov do any damage? Guys, the Christmas is over, right? I saw him there. Bro, this guy is trying to distract me. Yes, sir. Okay, this is actually scary. Yeah, like he could headshot me anytime. So that's why. Guys, they should remove the ice. Actually, it's like actually such a bad thing. Like it like barely makes you to move. So I'll show you. So it's like, but if you want to change directions, you cannot. You gotta like slide, you know. Oh, he has gold in the flare gun. Is he flying like that, bro? Okay, why am I not bouncing? No, 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 no. Why am I not bouncing? I wasn't. Oh my god. Bruh. Okay, he's 10 HP right now. Okay. Oh my god, why did I click that? Dead. Oh my god! Sheesh. Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm supposed to use the burst rifle. I'm supposed to use the burst rifle, so. Okay, guys, next round I'll use that. So, yeah. Okay, so I'll choose dogs. Arena don't like burst rifle. So, yeah, now we are gonna use that. Sheesh, like, kinda looks cool, not gonna lie. Mm-hmm. Bro really had to use the sniper, bro. Bruh. Snipers are hard to fight against, not gonna lie. Crap, stop sliding. What? If you guys didn't see that, I literally was sliding the entire time. Dude, I like had him. Really? Bro had to use the exo gun, dude. I thought I damaged him a lot. We got to take the sniper out, not gonna lie. my god. Okay. It's sudden death. And bro just put question mark. Okay. No. Please. No. Dude. Bro really needed the medkit and the what? Exo one, huh? So yeah. If you guys remember, I had these chests, and we're gonna open 8 of them. Oh, that looks good. Wait a second. No, but this is crazy good. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, by the way. We will try to get 500 subs. Yep. And I am gonna try to post like high quality videos. But it's like I have no idea how to make thumbnails and stuff. So yeah, if you watched this far, just like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this far. And let's do one thing. Just type in W penguin. Yeah, that just came into my mind. Yeah, W penguin. You just type that in the comment section if you made it this far. It's like a secret note. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.